Hi everyone, welcome back to another Rapid Scan 3D video tutorial. Today we're going to extract some holes and we're going to extract some planes and capture some geometry. And let's dive in. So what I'm doing right now is basically I'm taking that plane and then moving it further away from the model, and then I can capture just the hole locations. And I'm going to click OK, flip it, then I can see my mesh sketch is perfect, just the way I wanted it. Double click on these polylines and then accept, and then we're going to go ahead and extrude these. Let's go ahead and flip the direction. I'm going to make some adjustments later, so they're just a placeholder for now. Once I capture that, next one is we're going to extract the plate. So this plate is about ½ an inch thick. And we're going to put my fillet right there and make some adjustments. I didn't put in dimensions yet. It's something that I can adjust later. Now we're going to close this sketch and then extrude solid. Arbitrary length is okay if you're using this for a reference, but if you're gonna perfectly model it, you want to make sure that you're capturing the right depth and height. Once we capture that, I check the dimension analysis. I can make adjustments as I wish to, or based on the requirements. Very simple analysis, helps a ton. Now, I'm going to make some adjustments right there. Bring it down. Again, it doesn't have to be one-to-one exact height if you're using them for the reference, but if you need it for accuracy, you're going to have to make some adjustments to the height. And then we're going to accept that. Also remember, these materials been outside for a long time, so they have some variations from actual part itself. And I'm going to make some adjustments to these hole locations. So I'm going to add one dimension to one of the holes, and then I'm going to select every single one of them and put equal radius. What I did now is I can just adjust one of them, and then everything will be adjusted at the same time. Now I'm going to go back to profiles and then select the one that I didn't extrude it previously. And very quickly, I have one sketch, one extrusion, and then for the plate, one sketch, one extrusion. I did not merge these together. If you notice on the left side in solid bodies, I have several solid bodies. Now I selected that piece and then put vectors. So these are all for the reference if someone is rebuilding the bridge or antenna tower. So now what I'm going to do, I can export in two ways. One is I can send it to SolidWorks, Creo, Pro E, Inventor, NX, or AutoCAD. Or what I can do is I can export I just need to select these. If you directly export to SolidWorks, you will get the fully editable CAD file extensions. So you can go back and edit in the native software that you're using. So if you use in SolidWorks, all the left side, the tree will have exactly the identical layout. And then you can go back and make some adjustments and things like that. So thanks for watching.